Sardari. Then
It looks like you have got a long vacation.
not a vacation here because all includes some Air India में 3 दिन तक मुझे घुमा ही रहा ये flight पकड़ I'll let you know all the near and dear troubles. I was lost into a hotel. We are in chapter number 6. Am I correct? ऐसे क्यों है या तो इधर आ जाओ या तो इधर आ जाओ ना भाई scattered up है one more child is there no what's her name
She's coming here.
she's coming
Yes.
when we एक काम करो फिर मेजॉरिटी इधर है ना तो आप लोग किधर आ जाओ इससे
You can say.
no देखो I am standing here right it is fine but हाँ बच्चा आप लोग दोनों इधर that is good it is easy for me to you know so any exams school exams you have faced
Yes. We are.
geography
Yes.
I got
you're not here there
45, 50.
very good
And
and
school only I am saying. We are doing
now where is my paper
10 marks papers.
10 marks.
that is not a paper piece of another small piece of paper I thought to say something else and who else have gone through these school exams nobody okay anybody topo exams school not as na we have completed comfortably okay tell me we are in chapter number 6 what is that soil
Completed na?
Soil completed.
soil natural vegetation
Completed. Now I think so we have to do water resource.
water
Natural vegetation का natural we have got natural vegetation today.
भाई साहब इधर yesterday was a function na I was bound to attend that but वो flight mishap की वजह से I was somewhere inside the hotel only देखो this chapter seems to be lengthy but we will try to make it very short and sweet two boys come forward इधर आ जाओ चलो इधर बैठो it's okay the tiniest boy is in the last come
She can say.
boys
ऐसा क्या हुआ है?
sure na these boys only some mind
किधर हुआ है?
especially ये
Start किया है हमने.
Start किया है पूरा नहीं हुआ है.
but start किया है
Start तो वैसे देखो सर मार्क्स ही किया आपने क्यों लिखा के लिए बोला
फिर पहला वाला एक्सप्रेशन
This morning for forest हुआ है.
Sorry.
सर स्टार्ट किया है आपने क्यों
हाँ
लिखा
Give me a short intro.
Like sorry.
mind को something to you
I forgot my sir.
okay Marathi Manila what are you speaking here hey did we do decidious
Yeah. Just
सर किया है सर घूम तो मेरी में बता
she is a la she doesn't know what's happening you blink at her एक काम करते हैं we will do all the jotting down of the forest then I'll try to explain all the forest one by one without looking into the book we'll do for her and she was also absent
Oh yes, we did start with that.
then now what if I really embrace this child what's her name I don't know
Ruchi.
I'll tell you what is the reason for embracement the evergreen forest correct second the deciduous forest third बोलते जाओ desert tropical desert क्या बोल रहा है यार सर desert is the desert नहीं रहेगा बस
ट्रॉपिकल डेजर्ट
हमको उसका ऐसा बोलना था क्या बोला the desert tropical desert हाँ ऐसा बोल the tropical desert next littoral नहीं the littoral forest
Littoral forest.
I'm gonna done this
So ये जो soil resource है इसका separate question आता है
आता है मैं बताऊंगा what is the last forest
Mountain.
but it is mountain
Mountain.
नहीं कुछ टेक्स्ट बुक में mountain की जगह पर mountain भी लिखा है now listen everyone let us without looking into the book tell you the picture now when we are studying these forests look here these two forests are very important you are going to get separate question on this okay
मेरे नाम के सामने साइन करती हूँ.
इधर ए भाई इधर क्या है
Transfer.
which who are you
अब तू नहीं गया
प्रसाद
क्या है
रांचे यार क्या इधर भी
अबे बोल सीधी हेलो ये मैं तो नाम कर
So when we are talking about these forests, the word is saying, what happened to you?
nothing
The evergreen forest. The word is evergreen. Means what? I remember हमारा time का राज कपूर. मैं उतना पुराना नहीं है, but I like old singers and old actors. Then Devanand. You know who is Devanand? हाँ, देखा है उनको? हाँ. वो acting दे दे, वो लड़के ने गलती से click किया.
ये इसका नाम क्या
ये नहीं. इसने से किया. नहीं मैंने किया. वो writing लगा दे फिर उसने.
ये आदित्य है ना ये वाला कौन है
हाँ.
हाँ
क्या?
नहीं आदित्य गाने की बोल
नहीं ये क्या कर दिया उसने
हाँ पापा त्याच्यावरती वाईट ना
हाँ
प्रमाण
मैं पहले
तो I also had a white
लोकल
नहीं ये
प्रिंटिंग
समझा
करना
क्या
है
करना हाँ बोला तुम समझ
काय झालं ना त्याने प्रांजल तिच्या नावावर साइन केलं मी त्याच्या वाईटच्या नावावर म्हणजे किती साइन तिच्या नावावरतीच करेल
ये राव साइन झाले ना
मी नाही केलंय माझ्या नावासमोर त्यांनी केलं
अरे चाहिए
अरे ये आए ना आप लोग अंदर
इधर दे
और अंदर है ना एक दो तीन चार पाँच छह सात तो सात है
एक काम करो पुट द व्हाइट थिंग ये बच्चे के पास व्हाइट थिंग
मैं क्या करूँ
ये नहीं बच्चा मैं देखा हूँ so when we are talking about the word evergreen please निशान कर दी नंबर तो चाबी तो
तो भी है ना सात लोग है ना बस
तो 700 का मैं एक ही लोगों का 7 जन का मतलब कैसे सही है ना तेरे क्या मालूम ऐसे ही
नहीं
तू ही उसको लिख सकते हैं देखने में wait for some time yes put a writing on the entire paper I think आप ससुराल में देखे बहुत मार खाएंगे दूसरी very lovely you heard what did I say evergreen forest I was explaining
No, I heard the ससुराल no that one I heard what you said
चलो shall we again
सर क्वेश्चन में बहुत आगे है
हाँ
ज्यादा ही आगे
एग्रीकल्चर
ज्यादा ही आगे
मुझे थोड़ा और आगे जाना है इसलिए तो जल्दी
मुझे लग रहा है मुझे खत्म सर आपको यहाँ से खा गए
नहीं
अरे इधर पाम बीच
नहीं
नहीं वो सूर्यों के बाद वाला घर है ना
सांतपाडा
अगर राइट मेरे घर का वो बता रहा है मैंने मेरे को बोला
तो उधर ही
एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट
ऐसे वहाँ पे आगे
है ना
वो बोल रहा है
अरे वो बिल्डिंग का नाम ही एवरग्रीन है फॉरेस्ट में जोड़ लेता हूँ
सर वो उसको बता
अरे सर हो गया है ये सब मैंने मार्क किया है
दैट रेड बॉय सांतपाडा वाला
वो मोटू
हां
वो तो उस तरफ रहता है मैं इस तरफ रहता हूँ बट वो बिल्डिंग में जहाँ रहता हूँ वहाँ मैं नहीं रहता दूसरा कोई और जहाँ उसने देखा मैं वहाँ बिल्कुल ही नहीं और बोल जहाँ रहता हूँ
सर
एवरग्रीन पर
हाँ बोल
हम लिटोरल या और टाइडल फॉरेस्ट पे ये हो गया है ये सब मैंने मार्क किया है
हो गया है सर
बोल रहा हूँ
प्रोडक्शन
he is my future man
सर थोड़ा पढ़ा
सब किया हमने
the whole 10 minutes is to decide what I want ठीक ये ईमानदार बच्चा
हाँ यार सर
तू थोड़ा कम ईमानदार बट है So I'm teaching right from the beginning 1 2 3 4 and others also for you is it okay so we will be studying evergreen based on their first rainfall and based on their the green cover the trees grow up till a height of how much meters 60 meters the word is evergreen because whatever might be the region whatever might be the climate the trees won't drop their leaves at one go correct you reach any part of the year you feel the grass or the cover is always green because different trees shed their leaves at different time understood and they have a shower or we call it a shower which is called as 4 o'clock what is 4 o'clock every morning till afternoon high heat and by 3:30 the clouds and 4 o'clock it gets dark The trees are so tall, they have 4 layers. Correct? वो भी textbook में mark भी किया मैंने answer भी दिया. Because and then the sunlight doesn't reach us to the bottom. So tall creepers, climbers, and poisonous insects, snakes, everything is found. Is it okay? अभी read करके देखो evergreen. मैंने कुछ छोड़ दिया क्या? I know that we are ahead, but we can use the time for good thing. Why don't you sit on the stage? Sure.
We have to read everything.
Just run through everything. तो मैं ही नहीं पढ़ा. तुम तो पढ़े.
ये भाग भी किया है सर आपने मेरे ग्रुप में भाग किया था
ठीक है पढ़ लो. आपकी फ्रेंड्स है मांग रहे हैं. और नारी मुक्ति आंदोलन आजकल बहुत स्ट्रांग हो गया है. ऐसा मोदी जी करते हैं नहीं. नहीं तो ये करो. ये कितने यार? Where? You got it. Exactly 31st I was here. First night I got a call from my sister saying that you have to fly to some area. बोला ठीक है तो तेरा मोबाइल में आप ही और सुबह उठ के फ्लाइट पर ठीक है लग गया. And yesterday, day before yesterday, I was to join the function that you keep.
compulsory so did you join
Outside, I was in between the airlines and hotels. And they gave me a good twist of the tail. कल का भी रात का 1 बजे का फ्लाइट निकला टेक ऑफ हुआ 3:30 बजे. Was little bit limited with the girls. क्या करे सर? अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम से हमारे बच्चे ऐसा गलती करेगा ना तो वाइट नहीं लगा फिर. Read.
Tell me the reason. You were talking.
What?
Sir, tell me the reason.
Which reason?
That's why I'm impressed with you.
She always comes and salutes me, asks me, "Hi, how are you? कैसा है?" That is something which very few students have. So that's a
She is such a sweet person, and you're saying that
अच्छी दिख रही है.
अच्छी दिखती है, but it is not good.
अरे कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ, मसाज कार्ड है.
Nurses कार्ड है.
मैं उधर थी.
क्या काय तरीका है? ये बड़ा पार्टी का राव दे अजून काय तरी काढणार तुम्ही. Hey guys, चलो evergreen जल्दी करो. I need to finish this chapter today. तू भी बोला ना तेरे वजह से मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया तू जरा अवे में क्या खेल रहा है. मैं और का हाँ तो पढ़.
You can't finish the chapter.
I
I'm going to do this.
Who? She's here somewhere.
आज नहीं है.
हाँ.
इधर है.
इधर हम जाते हैं. evergreen silently read कर ले अगर कुछ doubts के लिए. ये बीच में लील बुक किधर बैठी?
I'm definitely.
Oh, really? Class के something there. So this. Tell me the 4 layers of evergreen forest. अरे वही नहीं ना पढ़ो. She's February. Forget your name. Electrical how?
How do you know it was down?
You are wrong, Lee.
No, not down.
No, I Hyderabad in Tamil Nadu is allowed to take it. And go for seminar and meetings and
There's one.
okay, layers है ना 4 layers. Who can tell this girl Aritrika 4
One
layers?
is canopy, emergent.
Right from bottom to up. Now come on. What is the first layer, everyone?
नहीं है book में
I told you it's not in the book. But it's still not canopy.
बुक में नहीं है तो पढ़ गया. Canopy, emergent. और क्या? अंदर canopy नहीं है. मेरे नोटबुक में दिया रहेगा. अच्छा चलो let us go to the second source now. The word is deciduous. Look here. It is different from evergreen. Is evergreen for us economically viable? Yeah. You know the meaning of the word economically viable? Correct. They are not economically viable. This is viable. Because they are dense. And have you heard the word in English called inaccessible? What is inaccessible? Difficult to move it. Whereas deciduous is not so. And India में सबसे ज़्यादा forest deciduous है. More than 64% of the forest in India is covered by deciduous. And we have two types of deciduous. One is, come on,
Moist
okay.
deciduous.
Very good. One is moist deciduous, and other is dry deciduous. Now, who can give me the rainfall here? And then
100 to 200 centimeter in moist.
wait. 100 to 200 centimeters.
And
Here,
75 to 100 centimeter.
75 to 100. Very good. How about How about this one? Humidity.
In moist.
Right?
51 to
And in
53.
dry.
So we can say 51% to 53. 58. Eh? Now this is what you have to remember. The three types found here are more or less the same. There are chances what becomes to what? Moist becomes to dry as well if there is less of rainfall.
Just dry.
Yeah, why not if there is no rainfall? Correct. So normally this is the most economically viable or widespread forest in India. Why it is widespread? Just because of its percentage. And trees found here are economically very useful. समझ में आ रहा है? अभी read करके देखो इसको and then come back to me if you have any query. So this is the way we can go through. Just run through karo. Wherever you find something difficult, this is the way to do this. You're looking into this one. तुम्हारा आइस में प्रोजेक्ट रहेगा यहाँ से क्या सीन की यहाँ फ्लैश टैग पे पड़ता है
Temperature भी ना.
Temperature is not the determinant, actually it is there. But which makes moist and dry? That is what you have to catch. It is the rainfall and the humidity. While explaining, I remembered. What is the role of humidity? So when I explain here with this square.
वो air presence of water.
That is you are giving me the meaning. इधर क्या presence है?
हाँ तो plant.
Okay, so it's yeah. Let us go to the third. What to say? Now, when we go to the third forest, the word is desert, but it is tropical. How can be a desert? Can be a tropical? किसी ने लिखा सर इंडिया में सब कुछ पॉसिबल है इधर ही मुमकिन है ट्रॉपिकल भी लिखा और ऊपर से डेजर्ट भी है so which part of Rajasthan we are saying desert? It is only the western part of Rajasthan, correct? Or we say one of the popular desert of the world is Thar desert. Tropical, since India is located in the Tropic of Cancer, that is one. Second, this was not a permanent, I can say, desert, but due to some Panchatantra story अलग ही है, but geography reason कुछ अलग ही है. Now we find a desert. So what kind of vegetation here I remember giving this word to you, xerophyte. What is xerophyte? Normally cacti. Leaves are modified and they have thorns, correct? And normally to protect them from wild animals. क्या कर रहा था? हाँ क्या कर रहा था? हम लोग साथ में कुछ मूवी करते बहुत करते हैं. अरे जब होटल लेवल से लॉन्च करना में इधर आके देखो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट होटल. उधर भी मुझे नींद नहीं आता. बार-बार उसको बुला तो ये कर वो कर वो तो बेचारा परेशान ही हो. It's being new. इधर क्या है? बेंच में बैठे-बैठे ऐसा मेंटली हो साहब. वो सामने का नहीं लगा कुछ नया प्रॉब्लम बंद कर दो।
उससे भी नींद आ रही है।
अभी अगर किसी ने यॉन किया तो फैन की जगह पर वो घूमेगा या घूमेगी, ठीक है? So this is for desert. And what kind of animals we are finding here? Camel. हाँ, ठीक है। वो कैसे बोले सर चूहा? मैं नहीं। Burrowing animals.
सर वही तो चूहा होता है।
जो बोलते थे
हाँ तो अकेला चूहा ही है क्या? There are so many other.
snakes, rabbit.
You know what is the use of a rat or a mice? बोल कोई चूहा. Yes. Let biologically and geographically बता क्या importance है यार?
Burrowing के लिए
नहीं. Let him understand the geography. अभी इन दोनों का क्या रिलेशन है बोलो? किसी ने बोला ये उसका मौसा भाई है, ये उसकी चचेरी बहन है. Without the rats, what will snakes eat? नीचे एक मेरा सिंगापुरियन फ्रेंड है, उसने ये लिखा. सर वो and in the absence of snakes, what rat will do? They will enjoy each other.
I got noodles.
उसको खाने के लिए there are cats too.
What will noodles?
कहाँ से जंगल में जाके कैट खाता है? कैट will be, हाँ?
दिवाली को noodles.
दिवाली क्या पर्सन है क्या नूडल्स देने के लिए? Now you understand when you said rats, they are one of a burrowing animal. Rabbits we have snakes. I don't know how many of you know this. My favorite. Rabbit सुना है बात कहूँगा.
Rat and snake.
सुना है?
ICSE.
Oh my God. सर वो घूमने में जाता है.
सर दिखाओ ना इसका.
ICSE.
क्योंकि तुम्हारे भी टेनिस काटने का टाइम आ रहा है, उल्टा पुल्टा. ये भाई सर राइट उसने देखा नहीं तूने? मुझे चैप्टर तो खत्म करने देना फिर देखूंगा. हाँ? क्या? हाँ, it is in Texas, Dallas. Okay. Then we have something called as littoral forest. ये भी मैंने explain किया. Also known as which
Tidal
forest?
forest.
Tidal forest. Because it is the influence of tides. And these are generally which regions? Marshy and swampy. And which trees we have? Sundari. Or what do we have? Mangroves. और इसका मैंने Airoli mangroves का बताया भी था. If possible, you should encourage our UP to take you guys to main area, boat route. So you should visit this mangroves once. Airoli में है. नहीं वो लोग ने रिजर्व बना के रखा है. बोट राइड है, फिर क्या birds वगैरह है. So these are which forests? Littoral. Come on, both of everyone read both these two and come back to me. Any query?
What do we mean by paucity of rainfall?
Paucity मतलब less, no, minimum. ऐसे you are a girl with paucity of bad habits. What do you understand? Oh, what did? It is you. How would I explain?
Fine.
You understood, huh? Tell me also.
Let me read.
What is it?
Sundown.
ये भाई सब खुराकी snakes देखने का in action. It is one of the dangerous snake, huh? Wow, क्या? वो चूहा को मारने में कैसा टेक्निक फॉलो करता है? You should see it. इसका उसका साइंटिफिक एक डॉक्टर ने उसको कट करके उसका टेल से ये आवाज कैसा था उसका मशीन आपके स्लीप से वो था. Oh my God. Hey, they are your best buddies.
के दोस्त को पकड़ ले तो
फिर ऐसे
घुमाएंगे तो क्या होगा?
घुमाएंगे क्या? तू नजदीक जाके देखा है घुमाएंगे क्या?
सीधा पकड़ लेंगे.
हाँ हाँ.
क्या देखना?
हाँ sir.
See ears.
How they make noise?
Wait. You listen to them. Please. Look at the.
क्या जीव है?
These are the God's creation. You should love the all these animals.
Ears.
और फिर सामने वाला तो फिर उसको
And now tell me anybody who knows the reason why does it make this rattling sound?
Because
Because
the
it's
rats will get
It attracts the place and it subsides inside. इधर है गुजरात में ना, only the eyes are seen, entire body, everything is inside the stone.
Same breed, na, that's why you got
And by the time the rat comes in, one punch, hardly it will take 1 minute. The rat will.
You heard what she said?
But she's on. सर ऐसा कैसा breed?
सर तो ये इंडिया में
मिलता है बहुत कम है.
Yeah.
But rattlesnakes are very popular in the Texas region. You are the wrestler ना, what is the name that? Stone Cold. उसको यही नाम दिया जाता है rattlesnake. पुराना wrestler. Understood? Tropical desert, littoral, anything? Please read and tell me. I'll ask questions. ऐसे read करके time pass मत करो. I'll ask questions on all this for us now. Because a detailed explanation I've done.
सर ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इंडिया के इसी में
पूरा ज्योग्राफी 10th का इंडियन ज्योग्राफी फिर कहाँ से फिर बाहर का 9th में था आपको फॉरेन का
I was going to provide a table on this.
which one
This
table ना हाँ तो वही पढ़ लो easy है इनको मैं जरा आइडिया दे दो कैसा है पहला नेम ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट फिर उसका रिक्वायरमेंट हाँ बस वैसे कर लो इट्स अ वेरी इजी चार्ट जल्दी करो
What do we mean by astringent?
stringent रहेगा stringent date farm is even raw and also used as an derivative and decoction. You know what is a decoction?
Yes.
In coffee, South Indians drink decoction coffee. Even I like that. Astringent मतलब उसको डाल के उसको ferment करके उसमें से निकालते हैं उसका जो nectar जैसा होता है. Decoction coffee. I had one in my house, but I donated, not donated, gave it to one of my Bengali friends. She likes that decoction coffee. And you are happy for me. वो कॉफी का पाउडर रहता है उसको गर्म पानी डाल के उसको दबा के रखते हैं the whole night coffee will come one drop the next morning you drink it with a good nice milk now you will feel this is coffee tea में मजा नहीं क्या tea में yeah I born and brought up here so I drink tea but coffee का उतना नहीं taste and there is a one coffee powder which we bring from Singapore it is called as chicory so chicory add करते हैं और strength उसका बढ़ता है और वो शॉप अगर आप घर में वो ओपन भी करके किचन में रख देना ऐसा लगेगा कि कॉफी शॉप आपकी घर का है सच रोमांटिक एक्चुअली लगता है चलो भाई कुछ चीजें साउथ में जाएंगे तो मजा आता है स्पेशली दिस कॉफी ब्रांड स्टारबक्स सबको अच्छा मतलब अच्छा है
I hate Starbucks coffee.
Shabi, did I do mountain forest with you?
Yes.
So now
On up. Yes, correct.
Are you sure that I have done this?
Yes.
एक काम करते हैं. Mountain forest we are going to study at 3 level. 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 3000 and 3000 and above. तो 1500 आके broad leaves रहता है. More or like evergreen or deciduous. And 1500 to जो 3000 it is close to conifers. And above 3000 it is tundra. You remember last topic about your 9th standard? Tundra and taiga, which is normally snowfall. Mountain forests have its own importance because these are those forests which are known for its adaptation at from lower level to a higher level. You go to Kashmir, they have apples और इसको हम लोग orchards बोलते हैं. What are orchards? इसमें हमारा स्कूल है सर इधर ही है. ये orchard इधर ही है. It is orchard farm. India में orchard farm मतलब it is that apples. But in foreign countries they have these oranges which are very popular. And उधर का orange आप कभी खाओ, you will love it. हाँ, अपना नागपुर का भी orange काफी better है. But उधर का orange का कुछ quality अलग ही रहता है. So even that is included. Strawberries. Normally we feel Mahabaleshwar. Correct. Even I heard New Zealand apples are very very tasty. But ठीक है हमारा मोदी जी ने बोला आत्मनिर्भर तो हम भी very good apples from India only. Right? So these are this mountain forests. So 3 levels of forest Three different tree types and three different requirements. अभी read कर लो. एक काम करता हूँ read करने लगता. अरे तेरे का भी mountain forest. Everyone having a textbook?
Yes.
Let's mark and move ahead.
In the mountain regions, temperature decreases with altitude. This has a corresponding effect on the natural vegetation of the mountain regions. Climatic conditions. These forests are found in areas where annual temperature is 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is between 100 and 300 centimeter, and annual humidity is between 56 and 65%.
Underline that word. Annual क्या था?
Humidity.
Humidity and precipitation is also important.
Relief. These forests occur at an altitude between 1000 to 4000 meters.
ये पहला भी ये कर 1000 to 4000. Now we will divide that 1000 to 4000 into three levels. Correct? Now go ahead. Go ahead.
Distribution. These forests cover the entire Himalayan zone in the peninsular region. They are found in the Vindhyas, Nilgiris, and Western Ghats.
Okay. Put all this into bracket. देखो हिमालयस में कहाँ से start हो रहा है? The Vindhyas. है ना? Vindhyas ही है. Sure.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Characteristic features. These forests contain mixed species of broadleaf evergreen trees and conifers. They also contain scrubs, creepers, and ferns. At the foothills of Himalayas, deciduous forests are found.
Underline that. देखो foothills में कौन सा type forest दिखता है? Deciduous. Okay. जैसे जैसे height बढ़ेगा, then उसका forest type भी change होते जाएगा.
At an altitude of 1000 to 2000 meters, they are at the moist temperate forest. In the hilly areas of West Bengal and Uttarakhand, evergreen broadleaf.
Underline evergreen, but leaves कैसा है? Broad leaves.
Trees like chestnut and oak are found. Between the altitude of 1500 and 1750 meters, coniferous trees like shield pine is.
Underline only the height and only the trees, only the forest. Coniferous. So what is the meaning of the word coniferous? Generally ऐसा दिखता है. It's more like you are.
Canada or
Pure Canada of
that they are prone to snows.
Drawing is good. Means the snow should not settle here.
Yeah.
Needle-like. तो उधर रहेगा pine, spruce, है ना? Spruce, cedar, वैसा trees आएगा.
I saw like this in Manali.
हाँ तो मनाली से हिल स्टेशन ना.
At an altitude of 2050 meters and 3000 meters, blue pine and spruce are found.
Underline that blue pine and spruce. Oi, marker.
Blue pine.
एक जैसा वीडियो निकलता है.
At high altitudes, alpine forests and alpine grass up to snow line are found, followed by mosses.
Underline that word. It is alpine grass, हाँ. ये सब वो कनाडा में जैसे मिलता है वैसा type grass है. Go ahead.
Beyond the snow line, no vegetation is found. In the peninsular regions, the area is only about 1,500 meters in height, and vegetation varies from tropical to temperate forests. This is because of their closeness to the tropics and height of only 1,500 meters above sea level.
Underline. It's only 1,500. That is why you have good forest there.
So the vegetation is temperate in the higher regions and subtropical on the lower regions of the Western Ghats, especially Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. These temperate forests are called sholas in the Nilgiris, Anai, Malai, and.
It is Anna Malai. What Anai Malai?
There's an I. There's an I given. Please. There's an I. Anai Malai.
Even I got shocked. What? You meet a South Indian, he will kill you then. If you read like this. Go ahead. I'm searching videos for you. Hey, look here. Whenever we talk about this mountain forest, na, this is what you should see at least. ये है, पता नहीं ये कैसे. Mountain or mountain, one of the same. That's what I heard. You can see you, my dear. But ये तो हो रहेगा ना, देखो. माउंटेन पर जंगल होते हैं जो पहाड़ में मिलते हैं. Echo's explanation. This is the one that I switched on. So what is the next thing? Yeah, what's the next thing there?
Coordination of forest with the environment.
ये देखते हैं मेघालय ठीक है ठीक है I'll show you later my dear show me the next क्या है correlation क्या आपका स्कूल में क्या एक काम करो put a question for this answer because this is to be asked in your board exam. Explain the correlation of forest with the environment. Explain बस गलती से explain. Write the question. All are looking at each other's face.
I don't.
बाकी लोगों को explain ये किसके लिए है the correlation of
Forest with the environment.
now who can tell me the meaning of this question
What is the
Consider interrelationship between.
oh my god it's a bad I knew girls will understand all this intricate things yeah है हम क्या उधर
Very intricate.
छोड़ देना तू बेचारा छोड़ दे देखो is environment and forest connected
Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes.
How? How?
They are natural only na. Forest.
How they are connected give me the reason
like it's a less oxygen?
देखो forest comprises of our environment वो कोई नहीं बोला
Forest is a part of the environment.
तो वही मैंने भी बोला it's very simple देखो you make your school good or bad then say sir ये school है ना खराब है सर मतलब उस school में तू पढ़ता हाँ सर गलती से मैं पढ़ता it is not school it is the environment that you are doing I mean very simple I had gone to the 9th CBSE have come into ICSE the environment that we built in forget about me it makes the lecture lively is it so is it making
सर वो गए इसके पास
तो पढ़ना पढ़िए बैठ के
Forests are moderator of climate as they control humidity temperature.
उधर से उठ के लिख रहा है I'll tell you very simple a time was there my own friends used to come from all the way from Dadar when I shifted to Palm Beach area उनको मालूम था कि I'm living in Palm Beach फिर वो मेरा friend भाई कलर में तेरे एरिया में आया था फिर मुझे भी बोला अरे वो अकेले नहीं आया था ना वो किसके साथ आया था अरे छोड़ना यार बाद में बात करेंगे फिर 2 मिनट के बाद पूछा अरे ये बहुत अच्छा है Palm Beach रोड तो किधर बैठा था अरे एक जगह पर बैठा था वो छोड़ना है and after sometimes I come to know where they come and where they sit and you understood where I'm saying and फिर एक लड़का तो ये उधर एक शीत सागर मतलब शीत सागर नहीं है वो कौन सा एरिया मिनी शीशो हाँ उधर
Vashi में हाँ.
even she is there school here
Sir, we are living in Tamil Mumbai.
अच्छा okay everywhere that's good it's going to be like this. Environment correlation we have studied
You went there?
definitely why not?
You went to mini market?
No
I didn't go.
where is it
Vashi
Vashi.
wala.
It is in the
Nursing क्या करेंगे?
yeah I go to a Shiv temple there is one old Gawala ka Shiv temple है जो वाशी नाम का
Yes.
Monday I go
Vashi station की आई.
station नहीं वो highway के ऊपर
Highway की उधर ही.
इसकी आगे
so correlation मतलब आप simple पकड़ो how is this forest a part of the environment now you say you are a part of your park do you accept that why How? Sir, I reflect the DNA characteristics of my dad and my mom. But then no character of you match with the mother and father. Sir, वो तो स्कूल का फ्रेंड है सर, मुझे बिगड़ने सर, कुछ नहीं बिगड़ा, तू पहले ही इसके नहीं था, है ना? Unless and until you are not having that, she's laughing. Unless and until you do not have that DNA structure, you will not become like that. To be very frank, I remember a child of my hometown catching a big sword like this and running towards the mother. तो मम्मी ने एक झपड़ मारा उसको, ये चाकू पकड़ के लगा ले, बोला इसको क्यों मारो? इसको ऐसा बोलो, हैंडल से पकड़ो, and वाक्य आते समय उसको ऐसा रखो. Next time जो बच्चा बड़ा सा होता था, हमारे लिए भी ऐसे ही है. And but he is holding like this and coming. This is how you should teach the child. तो लड़का ऐसा लेके भाग गया, So when we are saying this environment and forest ना इंडिया में मुझे अभी तक correlation दिखाई नहीं, क्योंकि forest रहेगा तो ना correlation रहेगा, and बच्चा कुछ छोटा मोटा गार्डन है उधर तो फिर हमारे लोग जाके बैठ जाते हैं, है ना? अरे साफ कर रहे है ना? And then we say कि what is Navi Mumbai? मतलब what is Navi Mumbai? It's a mall city. Why it is a mall city? Because wherever places there, they have constructed the malls. In fact, Navi Mumbai was a place which was considered to be having a lot of natural places, especially the airport, which is almost done now. Correct. Second, we had a lot of mangroves. देखो ये flamingos, ये season में आया क्या? Hardly गिना चुना है. Next year तो वो भी नहीं आने वाला. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. फिर हम आदित्य का को पकड़ इधर सब जगह flamingos तो आता ही नहीं. ठीक है, पापा को बोल के वो भी मंगाता हूँ. Already तूने वो मंगाया है, अंटार्कटिका कैसा होता है? Penguin. 8.5 crores he has spent for 6 penguins, out of which 2 is already RIP. बचा कुछ बेचारा अपना जान गिर रहा है.
अरे आया
कहाँ से पेंगुइन वो है बाइकला में है रानी
हाँ हमारे लेक में also
फिर वहाँ पे क्रोकोडाइल भी है.
तो इंडिया में मिलता है. ये पेंगुइन कहाँ से इंडिया में?
he took a bird
ये
एक महीने पहले
he took a birth ना?
वहाँ पे एक पेंगुइन आया है छोटा है.
कहाँ से?
वाह
क्या हुआ होगा? कैसे हुआ? कुछ भी हुआ अपना जान के अंदर. तो whenever we talk about the word correlation,
क्या बात है.
तूने इसको भी बिगड़ दिया.
नहीं मैंने बोला ही नहीं उसे.
So correlation मतलब connection between the environment and forest. देखो अगर forest cover अच्छा है ना, you go to Andaman, 75% of the area is covered in the forest. You can see parrots, you can see pigeons, and the beaches and other things are so well maintained. Whereas our beaches, one of the best beaches in Mumbai is Juhu Beach. Wow. आप कभी भी जाएंगे ना, गटर का पानी इतना गंदा बदबू है. पूरा मुंबई का गटर का पानी जूहू में ही है. फिर हम लोग घंटों बैठे रहते हैं जूहू बीच. What a lovely beach. I go to that Juhu ISKCON तो वहाँ से ही जाता है रास्ता. Then we come to Pandel area, sir beach किधर से पूरा गटर उधर भी आ गया. फिर अपना वासी वो तो बीच भी नहीं, वो तो क्रीक बना दिया.
That Udan beach also.
हाँ, everything is spoiled. But Maharashtra is known for its natural beauty, just because of its western ghats. In Marathi called the Sahyadris. Okay, so what was Maharashtra? What is Maharashtra? What will be Maharashtra? All we have destroyed. So that is the answer. Chalo, let he only point number 1, correlation.
Forests are the moderators of climate. They play an effective role in controlling humidity and precipitation.
Precipitation. What is precipitation? उधर लिखो rainfall. Everyone.
सर हमारे नए बुक में ये सब नहीं.
अच्छा ठीक है चलेगा. Read करो.
Forests play the lead role in carbon cycle. They also
Underline the word carbon cycle. ये तो रहेगा. Who can explain me carbon cycle? Like we have hydrological cycle, like we have life cycle. Carbon cycle is most important. Go ahead.
they absorb steady carbon dioxide and help in maintaining the purity of air and atmosphere.
You only do that. Purity of environment, is it? So when we go to certain places, now we see acres and acres of green pastures. India में देखा ना pasture है ना greenery है, सब कुछ खत्म. And that is why you leave your car half an hour on the road or even under the building, you will see a lot of dust. Whereas in some parts, I shouldn't say where I've gone, but you wash your car once in 3 months. It's as good as new. हम तो अभी कार वॉश से मेरा कार बाहर आया तुरंत वो बीएमसी का कचरा डिब्बा ने आके मुंह के पूरा धुआं डाल. एंड फिर गटर का पानी मेरा कार में उड़ रहा है, मोला आ जाएगा, तो मैं 2 कार वैसे ही बोला. And to be very frank, Asia and India has lots and lots of pollution. Lots. I don't know whether you have gone to Delhi NCR region. That is the best example of pollution. Delhi. Go ahead.
Forests have been controlling soil erosion, soil degradation, and floods. That is
Put
why
all this into bracket.
that is why they are very helpful in land reclamation and flood control. Forests help in water percolation and thereby maintain.
Underline the word percolation. Water is seeped under the soil. And what is this reclamation? Anybody? Actual word is reclamation, but we call it as reclamation. If you have gone to Bandra, there is a hotel called Murti Mahal. It's not a 5-star, but it's a 3-star hotel. वो होटल ही पूरा reclamation ground में ही बना है. वो पूरा खाली एरिया पीछे. उधर मिट्टी डाल कर उन्होंने उस एरिया को पूरा reclaim किया. नवी मुंबई क्या है? It is a fishing village only. Around 15 to 20 years before. Now it is one of the, क्या बोल सकते हैं, I don't know which city if you want to call it. It's a well planned city. Well planned. India में 9th position में है नवी मुंबई. Well planned city. Seriously, one is this parking, correct? Especially, and even the drainage also far better than Mumbai. Far better. And even the gaon, I think everywhere we have gaon. We have gaon everywhere, but normally you see वो गांव का एक एरिया लोग ने अलग कर दिया. सिडको ने बहुत अच्छा प्लानिंग किया. What does Sidco stands for? Find out. And what is CBD Belapur का full form क्या? You only know. Very good. Central Business District of Belapur. Sidco is City Industrial Development Corporation Board. Sidco अगर वाशी में नहीं आता, आज हमारे वाशी के गांव वाले ये करोड़पति कार लेके इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं बिना पैसे का, उनको पैसे नहीं मिलते. Sidco has done tremendous work in that board. अब ये जो नया एयरपोर्ट है उसमें अडानी का कंट्रीब्यूशन सबसे ज्यादा है. अपना कोई अडानी. हाँ अडानी. मैं तो उसको अडानी बोलता हूँ. Go ahead, who's reading?
Decay of plants which provide humus to the soil to increase the.
Underline the word humus and underline the word decay. We done. Oh, always she does it. Hey, now will you write the answer on your own or shall I give the answer?
Because you know the key
Wait, now you will write.
क्या? लिखना क्यों है? एग्जाम में क्या ओरल एग्जाम देना? But he can write a little better, na?
Yeah, I will write.
Yes. Write the answer in your notebook.
I'll just write it if I find it, right?
ना.
Can we write
तुम दोनों के बीच में एक राजल स्क्रिप्ट छोड़ देंगे. तब मालूम पड़ेगा आलसी क्या होता है. इधर से उधर तक एक नोटबुक नहीं ला सकते. राजल sorry. Answer. Hey, give me one book.
Sir, ये notes देखो.
कब दिए?
देखो ना.
But किसने दिया और कब?
आपने दिया.
आपने दिया.
मुझे क्यों चुका है?
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि हो गया है.
सब तो हो गया है.
नहीं करो दो बार.
नहीं करो हमारी रिलेशन करो.
आने वाला है.
ये ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कौन सा है?
इसने सॉरी लिखने बनाया था. खत्म कर दिया.
तो ये काम कर रहे हैं. ये आंसर लिखते हैं चैप्टर फिर मैं न्यू चैप्टर में लिखूंगा. ठीक है? टाइम है 15 ही है. I keep a close watch over the watch.
15 है.
Who is not writing in the textbook? Give me the textbook. You are writing in the textbook.
Sir, I am not reading the textbook.
चलो write down the answer. Correlation of forests with the environment. Correlation of forests with the environment is a vital task. Aptly. ABTL. वो ये सब टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं मिलेगा. What? Aptly. ABTL.
क्या होता है?
तो लिख तो सही. Undertaken by the Mother Earth. Aptly undertaken by the correlation of the forest with the environment is aptly undertaken by the Mother Earth. Second point. forests play a crucial role. Forests play a crucial role in controlling the humidity, the temperature, and the rainfall. Next point. Carbon and carbon cycle. Carbon and carbon cycle are fully kept in perfect situation, perfect condition, situation, perfect condition. Next, it is the water percolation. It is the water percolation and maintaining the underground water table and maintaining water percolation and maintaining the underground water table. Water table. Last point. Humus creation. Humus creation is the sole purpose behind it. Sole purpose behind the decay of dead leaves and plants. Put a hyphen. Recycling process. Bas, khatam. Sure. Now read the other part. I don't think you need to read also. It is all completed, है ना? हम लोग एक water resources करके एक छोटा सा chapter है. वो start कर दें. क्योंकि कोपक के अंदर are completed even this chapter. Water resources are completed. So good. Huh? This time I think geography will be much ahead of your maths or science portions.
First,
हाँ, वही मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. अच्छा ना रे फिर. I am out of picture for some time. क्या? 7 minutes में बहुत कुछ होता है. लिखो water resources. अभी 7 minutes का value लिखा. Put the heading water resources in your. True. This is the first lecture you are coming.
Then in the next class we'll be like, what is the volume used to complete
वापस पॉइंट करते बैठे
so 3 chapter बचे 3.
journey path.
When?
When you were on the leave.
Now.
Yeah.
Every Monday she used to teach. It is not our first section.
Even she completed lectures.
She has completed
ऊपर रख के दिखाओ.
She completed climate, फिर वापस
Climate तो मैंने ही किया.
climate आपने किया था, agriculture, फिर वो trans.
4 agree करेगा.
4 agriculture वीडियो देख के.
फिर वो conventional source, non-conventional source.
मिनरल हो गया.
अरे अच्छा है ना my dear. I will be revising, explaining something new. What else?
मिनरल शुरू हो गया.
हो गया.
Okay.
so 3 chapter बचे.
अच्छा है ना. Put the heading water
3
resources.
महीने में 3.
हाँ सारे के
तो फिर टाइम बच जाएगा.
अच्छा ठीक है water resources लिखो. I don't know why do you expect so much from me. You should expect the same thing from the other teachers. क्या?
ये तो कंप्लीट होने का है इसके वजह से
क्या ये बता. कुछ भी मत बताओ. लिखो water resources. अच्छा एक काम करना. ना लिखना है ना पढ़ना है. I will ask questions to you.
Okay.
हाँ सर
देखिए पर जो आंसर नहीं दिया 15 का लिखिएगा.
नहीं पूछ तो भी परेशान नहीं
टाइपिंग चलता है.
ये चलता है. इनको क्या मैं टाइपिंग स्किल चलता है. ए देखो water resources what are we going to do? First we are going to do sources. How many sources are there? as per the volume
Section.
2. What are they?
Surface water and
Okay. What does surface water means?
the water.
Water on the land.
Surface
तो मुझे भी meaning मालूम. We have lakes, we have ponds, we have rivers. ऐसा बोला ना. And which is underground water, the water which is stored, excess water, right? So when I teach you water resources, one thing you should remember that water is the scarcest substance found on the earth. Do you accept?
Yes.
Out of the 97% of water that you and me see on the earth, only 0.89% is fresh water. अब मालूम पड़ेगा scarcest क्यों? Because there was a time when we used to say India was Sujalam and Sufala. मतलब Sujalam Sufala is a word from the national song movie, which is having lot of waters and lot of food to eat. अभी किधर है lot of water? अभी जब rainfall आए तो lot of water ही है, सब जा रहा है. And rainfall नहीं है, lot of snow water है. ये कौन सा English? Scarcity of water. Understood? मैं बात चल रही है सर, lot of snow water, but during rainfall lot of water. And in Pune had experienced that one bridge collapse.
Yeah.
They said only 4 people have died. I am 100% sure. It probably 20 to 50 people might have been taken out. अभी टूरिस्ट पता नहीं कहाँ से पहुँचता है. वो bridge के
सामने मंदिर
हाँ,
और
अच्छा.
संडे था.
इसीलिए all 100 tourists were on that old bridge and it is done. And this politician will come up with their own explanation.
गवर्नमेंट ने बोला था
कि नहीं जाना है. So whenever we talk about this word water, we will be talking about our river system. We have two major river systems. One is Indus and other is Ganges. And the third one, it is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra का Indus और Ganges के जैसा नहीं है. Brahmaputra starts from Mansarovar. It is in Tibet and it is known by the name Sangpo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. The place is called Diham. है ना? How about Ganga and Yamuna? Ganga का source है गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर, यमुना का source है यमुनोत्री ग्लेशियर. गंगा का सबसे बड़ा ट्रिब्यूटरी है यमुना. ये होने के बाद you will have one short question or one long question coming. What is RH? Rainwater harvesting. Anybody knows what is rainwater harvesting?
Yes.
ये जो अभी rainfall चल रहा है. Instead of this rainwater going and joining the gutters from the building, we will have a circulation pit in every building. ये बोलते हैं हम लोग बनाते नहीं. Let that water come through that pipe and let it go into the underground. It will avoid one flooding and we are saving which water? Rainwater. So we can use the rainwater during which season? Dry season. So this is what we are going to start first. Also, and then you are free.
It's the 10 of days.
So उसी लिए दोनों एक दूसरे का टेम्परेचर चेक कर रहे हैं. चलो ठीक. Now you can relax.
सर ये नेचुरल वेजिटेशन एक सिंगल चैप्टर आता है ना.
हाँ.
सिंगल चैप्टर आता है ना नेचुरल.
हाँ ये वाटर रिसोर्स लगे एक मॉड्यूल है.
अलग मॉड्यूल.
बहुत आसान. सॉइल रिसोर्स भी एक मॉड्यूल है. वाटर से भी सॉइल छोटा है.
Soil is the body.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है.
हाँ. So I'll show you this video. अच्छा every Monday you guys had a classes है.
Yes.
ये तो भूल ही गए थे कि यूटीबी है करके.
दोनों
हम
शब्द
भी भूल गए थे.
हाँ भूल जाओ ना. मुझे तो अच्छा ही है. भूल जाओ.
NCBSC.
हाँ then
सीबीएसई लिखा है आपने सर.
ICSE.
यार आईसीएसई
सर को सीबीएसई ज्यादा मतलब.
हाँ सर.
सर आज पता चला.
पता चला सर.
क्या पता चला.
You like CBSE more than
जी
us.
सर. दिस आईसीएसई
सीबीएसई में कौन है मुझे वो भी याद नहीं है. तुम्हें था से.
सबके सब पढ़ा.
और वहाँ आप बोलोगे.
नहीं देखो whatever it is I tell the truth to you guys.
Yes.
क्यों छुपाना क्या है? And you know I am a little bit of a vociferous person also. I don't
All
mind.
these people are teaching only.
Who? These guys?
अबे PW by PW.
नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए. वो है कौन सा टी है?
ये तो 11 को वही लगा CU वाला.
अरे वो
किधर लगा रहा है? सीयूज में क्या है?
फिजिक्स वाला.
वो इधर है.
हाँ.
किधर है?
CU का नेहरू लिस्ट में.
Yeah, I used to follow this, not follow, show this person's video. इसका सिर्फ आवाज आता था, इसका मुंह नहीं दिखाते थे. जब भी नया वीडियो आएगा ना, ये भाई साहब का आधा स्क्रीन ये शेयर करना. Marathi 1 to reads.
Sir,
यार मुझे तो टाइम में पकड़ ले.
ये pause करके बात
So what I am going to give you all the question answers from this chapter. Okay. So we will meet on coming Monday.